Marco kang kulabanggaw kita kawiyagan tanga-tanga.
Sikat na vlogger ng Pangasinan. Nandito lang ito sa PNR si Sir Moto Kids. Good evening, sir. At siyempre ang kanyang assistant si Black Mamba.
Lama.
Dead bull yun. May sumpo dead bull yun.
Galaw kailangan.
Yung mga bracelet nyo, mga accessories nyo, pakitanggal ka po. Mga accessories nyo, yung naka, ano ba yan? Distracto.
Salat kamu, salat.
Singa, liwa.
Pigar.
Pigar. Salat kayo, kan? Okay. And now to the third game, a battle between Barangay Tudor versus Mabulitok. At ngayon, makukuha ni number 28.
Aliwa. Jebuk. Ayo doga mana?
To Garcia. And Garcia to number 28. No good. Mananatili ang bola sa Barangay Mabulitok. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds. Number 27, bigay kay number 28. Diretso si number 28. No good. Follow up by number 0, Talino. 2 points. At ngayon, 2. No good. Birusel. Follow up by number 2. 2 points of number 2. And that is 2-all. Number 8, Garcia. Didiretso si Garcia. No basket. Makukuha ni Birusel to number 2. Bersosa. No good. Nagagawa ng bola. Pops. And there's a whistle. Foul.
Garlay. So, 20 mil lang.
First throw of number 23, Morales.
Kata video kalay vlog. Video lah ba? Video lah ba ni Dani? Edit to ni Ran.
No basket. At ngayon, Ferrer, nagmamadali si Ferrer. Bigay kay Macaranas to Ferrer. And Ferrer using the glass, no good. Virasel for the rebound. And Virasel ngayon.
Kapag bilang, bato di laro.
Driving the ball, sets the ball for his teammates to number 27, Dinluan, to Virasel. Number 29, it's a traveling violation. Committed by number 29. Nice call, ref. Number 8, Garcia. And Garcia bigay kay Ferrer, number 27. And drives the ball on the middle. No good. Versosa, number 2. To number 23. Number 8, Garcia. Ibibigay kay number 28, Macaranas, to number 27, Ferrer. And Ferrer didiretso on the side. 2 points of number 27, Ferrer. Number 2 to number 7. Number 7 ngayon, Dinluan ngayon is flashing the middle. Bigay kay Virasel. Virasel on the middle. 2 points of Virasel. 4-all. Number 8. Leaving the ball, number 8. Garcia. And Garcia, didiretso si Garcia. Bibigay, but no good. So Virasel. And number 7, Dinluan. And Dinluan ngayon, didiretso si Dinluan. And there's a foul number Dinluan. Free throw. No basket for number 7, Dinluan.
Ay, ini mo. Paano tagal sa kinto, isento si may game.
On second throw, is the charity of number 7, Dinluan.
YouTube to. Paano bantayan dararay mga galaway?
Number 8, Garcia. And Garcia, driving the ball.
Wala ko igawon.
Didiretso si Garcia. Basket.
Labinto. Siyempre, siya impos na live Tapos man, galaw data na hindi.
Dikit ang laban. Number 7, Benluan to number 27.
Tapos tapos.
Versusa. No basket. Versus again. Impact out to. 7-6. Number 8, Garcia. Garcia bigay kay number 28. Is the 3 points.
Sasakit mo sa raraya. Shooter.
9-7 in favor of Barangay Mabulitan. Score 3, no basket. Last touch, number 27. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And number 23, Morales. Ferrer. Ibibigay kay Magaranas. Mabibitawan ang bola.
Same ball.
Mananatili ang bola sa Barangay Mabulitot. Magaranas inbound to number 27, Ferrer. And Ferrer, di diretso. No basket for the rebound of Versosa to Virusel. Pass break ngayon. Bibigay kay number 23, Morales.
Lagi pero
It's the 3 points of number 23, Morales. 10-9. 1 point lead of Barangay Tubor. At ngayon, number 28 to number 8. Offensive foul. Called by the referee. Foul. And 13 foul. Eloise, number 16 to Binluan, number 7. Di diretso. Tapal ni Ferrer. At ngayon, Ferrer. Di diretso si Ferrer. Looking for the receiver to number 3, 8, Garcia. And Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot. Garcia for 3. It's a 3 points of Garcia. 12-10. Number 29, Virusel to back to Virusel. Virusel to Binluan. And Binluan fade away. No good. Rebound by number 27. 2 minutes. Time remaining on this first quarter. Number 8, Garcia. Bigay kay Macaranas. Macaranas for 3. It's an air ball. Mabuan to back to Binluan. Number 7. To Virusel. Di diretso si Virusel. No good. Makukuha ito. Substitute. Number 23, Morales to Binluan, and Binluan drives the ball. 12 all. Deadlock score po tayo, 12 all. At ngayon, number 8, Garcia, bibigay kay Ferrer. Ferrer for 3, no basket. Maagaw, Binluan, number 7, raise up. 2 points, 14-12. Number 8, Garcia. And Garcia ngayon.
1 minute.
Number 8, Garcia. 55 seconds, time remaining. Number 28, Macaranas. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds.
Pagtid.
Basket count set by the referee. First personal foul of the Luis. And first team foul.
43 seconds.
43 seconds, time remaining. And for the bonus free throw, no basket. At ngayon, number 7, Binluan to number 4, Cambalisa. It's a 2 points of Cambalisa. 33 seconds, time remaining. At ngayon, number 8, Garcia. Garcia to number 25, Rivera using the glass. 20 seconds. Last, 20 seconds rather. Number 23, Morales. Bigay kay Virusel. Di diretso si Virusel. 10 seconds. Binigay, di diretso. Mabibitaw ng bola, Rivera.
paano nukin? Pagkatulad
Number 16, Luis 2.
gabay kay
Binluan, no basket.
tata. Ibigin balo pang
Tinggol.
Pampatagang matabiyo. Ano nga po masang puti?
Kambalisa to number 7, Binluan.
Sa manugalo dito.
No basket to Kambalisa. Lucky bounce of Kambalisa. 18-16. Abando ng 2 puntos ang Barangay Tubor. At ngayon,
Follow ta kalantang pulitin ka pala, di ba?
diretso si number 11, no basket. Number 24, follow up. Rebound kay number 17. To number 7, Binluan. Back to number 17, ni Luis. No basket. At bola ngayon ng Barangay Mabulitot. Number 1 to number 10. Retrieving the ball, number 10. And there is a partner of Barangay Tubor, Macaranas. Bibigay kay number 7, Magalong. Didiretso sa number 7, maagawang bola. Back natapik ito ni number 24 to number 11. Didiretso si number 11. And there's a whistle, foul number 4 is out, replaced by Puntanilla, number 1.
Abang dadalaw sa akin!
Tamang-tama kay number 11. Then nag-score na naman tayo, 18 all. At ngayon, Binluan, number 7 to number 4, Kambalisa, perimeter jumper, but no good. Makukuha ito ni Binluan, running shot, 2 points of Binluan. Number 11 to number 07, Magalong. And Magalong ngayon is wrongly guided by Luis, number 17. Ibibigay kay tamang-tama kay number 7 using the glass, but no good. Maaga pa ni 02. And losing to Hansa. Binluan, number 7 to number 4, Kambalisa. And Kambalisa now, leaving the ball, sets the ball for his teammates to number 17, Luis for 3. Masyadong palakas. Still 2018. Ngayon, nagmamadali naman number 10. Running shot, binato na lang. At ngayon, Binluan, ibibigay kay Kambalisa to Luis. Nabitawan pa ang bola. At ngayon, Kambalisa to number 7. Basket call set by the referee and foul number 7. And for the bonus free throw of Binluan, his basket. 23-18. Magalong 07. Didiscarte, bibigay kay number 1 to number 11. Didiretso, nabitawan ang bola. And loses the handle for Barangay Mabulitot. Substitution. Number 11 is out, replaced by number 70 and number 27, Turer. Binluan, ibibigay kay number 4, Kambalisa, magpapasabit pa. No basket, number 27, Turer, to number 10. And number 10 ngayon, bringing the ball, pass to Magalong, loses the handle. Limang puntos ang abante ng Barangay Tubor, number 7, Binluan, running shot, no basket. At time remaining, 23-18, our official score. At ngayon, number 10 to Tagalog, number 7, no good. Followed by number 1, 2 points, 23-20. Tatlong puntos sa nabante ng Barangay Tubor. Kambalisa ngayon, ibibigay kay number 17 ni Luis. 81. Pushing foul of number 21.
Number 10.
Substitution, number 10 is out, replaced by number 17, Tinlak. Inbound by number 27 to number 07, Magalong. And Magalong ngayon. Didiretso si Magalong, bigay kay Ferrer, no basket. And there is a foul from number 27, Ferrer. First personal foul of Ferrer. And second team foul of Barangay Mabulitot on this second quarter. Number 4, Cambalisa to number 7, Binluan. It's the 3 points. Okay, basket na, basket. Nakapitiknikan. Number 7, Magalong. And Magalong, ibibigay kay number 17 for 3. No basket. Bola ng barangay Subor. Mabulitan. Mananatili ang 10 seconds to shoot. No basket. And there's a whistle foul number 21. Second personal foul of number 21. And third team foul of Barangay Subor on the second quarter. Pero first throw is basket. On the second throw, display charity of Ferrer number 27. At ngayon, number 7, Binluan to Cambalisa. And Cambalisa. Light ball. Number 27 to number 07, Magalong. And Magalong ngayon, bibigay kay 17 to number 27. Didiretso number 27. And number 1 is out, replaced by 02. That is your third personal foul, number 21, and 14 foul of Barangay Subor. Warning for penalty. First round, number 27 is basket. On the second throw is also basket. 28-23. At ngayon, number 4, Cambalisa. And Cambalisa dribbling the ball. Didiretso slashing on the middle. No basket. Magawa ni number 24. Pasa kay number 27, Ferrer. Didiretso na si Ferrer. Walang pina. Basket. 2 minutes. Time remaining on the second quarter. Number 7, Binluan. For 3. No basket. Nakukuha ni number 24. Ibibigay kay number 27. And emergency handle for number 17. Substitution. Substitution. Paisap mo. Number 21 is out. Replaced by number 10, Padilla. Number 17, Robin Luan. Bigay kay Cambalisa for 3. No basket. Lane violation committed by number 1, Contadilla. Number 07, Magalong to number 27, Ferrer. And Ferrer back to Magalong. And Magalong na yun. Bibigay kay Ferrer. Didiretso si Ferrer. Lilipad. No basket. Wala pa rin. Nilabas. And foul number 10. Penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds. Lucky bounce. First row is basket. On the second throw of number 27, Ferrer, is also basket. Binluan ngayon. Binluan, Raragasa. Basket count, set by the referee. Foul number 24. It's no basket, rebound by number 27, Ferrer, pass break ngayon. Ilabas kay number Magalong. No good. Makukuha pa rin ni Magalong. Number 07.
Hoy, exercise yun ito!
Ibibigay kay Ferrer. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 27. And foul number 4. First ball, Ferrer.
Hindi wala man po yung music. Wala man okay. Wala man ba? Hindi ka bigong pakasan ng
Basket. Number 4, Cam Balisa. Ibibigay kay Luis. No basket. Nakukuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer to number 17 to number 7. Magalong. 2 points. 22 seconds. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Time remaining. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Diretso na yun si Biluan. 2.1 seconds personal foul and 40 foul. Time out, Barangay Tuber. Basket. Third, our two commissioners, Sir Orlando Arino Sr. and Ma'am Imelda de la Cruz Arino, with the cooperation of Malasiki Dressing Plant, soon to open. And of course, our secondary sponsors, ang ating 10,000 cash prize is courtesy of Sir Journal and Ma'am Fraser Joy Estrada. And for the 5,000 cash prize, courtesy of Sir Alexander B. De Balanta. And for the MVP cash prize, courtesy of Sir King Philip Dios Adios De Batay. And for the medical prize cash prize, courtesy of Ma'am Conchita Galera. And for the rescues, courtesy of Sir Jerome Arino.
Paano kayo nagpahila?
And that quarter, ang ating official score is 23-31. Number 28, Magalanas to number 07, Magalong. Ibibigay kay Ferrer, number 27. No basket. Makukuha ito ni number 2, Versosa. No basket. And rebound by number 07, Magalong. Di diretso si Magalong. 2 points. Deadlock score na naman tayo, 33 all. Number 2, Versosa. Bilonta rather. Ibibigay kay Binluan, number 27. No basket. Binluan pa rin. Binluan, ibibigay kay Bilonta. No basket. Binluan, using the glass. 2 points. Balik ang kalamangan sa Barangay Tumor, 25-33. Magalong, number 07. Magalong na yun. Ibibigay kay number 17, Pinlock. And Pinlock back to Magalong. 10 seconds to shoot. Bilonta, diretso. Basket. Number 28, Macaranas to number 07, Magalong to Macaranas. And Macaranas ngayon, ibibigay kay Ferrer, number 27. And Ferrer, ang hanap ng diskarte, 10 seconds to shoot to Macaranas. Nakalusot, nabitawan ang bola. To Binluan. Another Binluan, number 27, para by Bursen. No good. Naagaw pa rin ni Morales, number 23. Bigay kay Binluan. Binluan to Bursen. And Bursen, look to Bursen. 39-33. Anim na punto sa abante ng Barangay Tubor. Maganong intercepted by Binluan. To Binluan, number 27, to Morales. Time out, Barangay Mabulitan. 4 minutes and 47 seconds time remaining on this third quarter. Number 28, Macaranas. Macaranas ngayon, dribbling the ball. Macaranas to number 8, Garcia. And Garcia ngayon, dribbling the ball, strongly guarded. Didiretso si Garcia. Garcia, bigay kay number 0. No good. Makukuha ito ni number 2, Bilonta. Didiretso ngayon si Bilonta. Bilonta, side step. Nice move of Bilonta. Number 8, Garcia. Number 28 to Macaranas. Back to number 8, Garcia. And Garcia is strongly guided by number 23, Morales. To number 27. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 27, Di Diretso. Perimeter jumper, no good. Makukuha ni number 24. Followed by number 27. 2 points. Binluan ngayon, inibigay kay Virosel. Virosel to Morales. Long, no good. Blue ball. Bola ng Mabulitas. Number 0 to number 8. At ngayon, number 8, Arado Buga, maprekta mong gagalo ha. Parang bultan tayong tampol dito na eh. Number 8, Garcia. Mabibitawan ang bola. Nakuha ang bola ni number 8. Didiretso si number 8. Bigay kay number 0, Talipio. No good. Nagagawa ng bola. Nakuha. And there's a whistle from number 8. Hacking team foul of Barangay Mabulitas. Number 23 to Binluan. And Binluan ngayon looking for the receiver to number 23, Morales for 3. No basket. Follow up by Bilonta. This third quarter, Virosel to Bilonta. Naakay ni number 27, Ferrer. Di diretso ngayon si Ferrer. No basket. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Ferrer pa rin. Basket count. And foul number 20. Sila, tawag ilang. 28 is out, replaced by number 17, and number 0 is out, replaced by number 11, another substitution. Eloise is in. And number 27 is out. And Ferrer, number 27. First throw. Basket. Nakagawang bola. Bibigay kay number 11, Tijera. Sayang. Binluan, running shot. No good. Makukuha ni number 11. Maagaw ni number 23, Morales. At Morales ngayon. Didiretso si Morales. For 3. No basket. Makukuha ni number 24. To number 27, didiretso si Ferrer. Naiwan ang bola. Nakuha ngayon ni number 17, ni Luis. 2 points of Luis. 45-38. Ito ang kalamangan ng Barangay Tubor. 2 minutes time remaining on this third quarter. Garcia to number 17. No basket. Makukuha ni Luis, number 17. Si Luis, ibibigay kay Virosel. Virosel to number 2, Bilonta. No basket. Makukuha ni number 24 to number 27, Ferrer. 2-1. Didiretso, bigay kay number 17, Pinla. 45-40. 1 minute and 32 seconds time remaining. And Binluan to Bilonta, 2 points. 1 minute and 24 seconds time remaining on this third quarter. Number 17, Pinla. Didiretso ngayon si number 17. 2. And there's a foul number 23. and second team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 27 to Garcia. And Garcia back to Ferrer. 10 seconds to shoot. And Ferrer on the middle. No good. Follow up. Malakas. 10 seconds to shoot. And Garcia. Didiretso si Garcia. Nice move. But no basket. Number 11. Wala pa rin. Number 8. To number 27. Wala pa rin. Dinot na po. Makakababa ang bola. Jump ball. Bola ng Barangay Tudor. 43.3 seconds. Time remaining. Birusel to Vilonta. At Vilonta ibibigay kay number 17 to Birusel. Number 29 to number 17 Eloise. Eloise. Time out. Barangay Mabulitot. 30.9 seconds. 30.9 seconds. Time remaining on the third quarter. Number 8, Garcia. And Garcia ngayon, ibibigay kay Pinlat. Back to Garcia. And Garcia is strongly guarded. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24, Matarag. So number 17, Pinlat. Air ball. Pass break ngayon kay Luis. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter. 40.
Nakapasabay ka naman ako.
Number 11 inbound to number 24 Macarag. To number 28 Macaranas. Bang! It's a 3-point. 49-43. At ngayon, Luis maaga ang bola ni number 8 Garcia. To Isuan, to Ferrer. To Joy. 49-45. And there is a foul number 28. Making second personal foul and first team foul. Cambalisa, bigay kay Luis. Luis to Cambalisa. No basket. Number 28, Macaranas. To number 8, Garcia. And Garcia to Macaranas. No basket. Direction to Eloise. 2 points. This one, 45. Anim na puntos pa rin ang abante ng Barangay Tudor. At ngayon, number 8, Garcia. Ibibigay kay number 24. Fade away using the glass. 2 points.
Siyempre.
51-47. At ngayon, ibibigay kay Eloise. 2 points of Eloise. 53-47. At ngayon, number 8, Garcia. Garcia looking for the receiver. Ibibigay kay number 28, Macaranas. Didiretso si Macaranas. But there's a foul. Tubor. First draw, Macaranas. Draw, number 28, Macaranas. It's also no basket. Makukuha ni number 28, Macaranas pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 27. And Macaranas tries for 3, but no good. At ngayon, Bunluan. Didiretso si Bunluan to Luis. Basket. 55-47. 8 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Tudor. Number 27, Ferrer. And foul number 7, blocking foul of Binluan, personal foul and second team foul.
Wala lang. Reserve lang.
Last time sila sa tambalo.
Malas na yung kila. Kaplit yung kila. Gamit dito araw.
Number 1.
Hindi lang.
Third personal foul of number 24 and second team foul. And for the second throw of Poncinilla, number 1. No basket, rebound by number 27, Pirer. And number 8, Garcia. Garcia na yun, sets the ball for his teammate. Titira ng tres, no basket. Didiretso na yun, tawag-tama kay Luis. 2 points of Luis, 57-47. Basket. And now number 28, Macaranas. Macaranas ibibigay kay number 24, Macaranas. To Macaranas, number 28. 10 seconds to shoot. And Ferrer. To Garcia. And Garcia, 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 16, Iluis. To Villanueva for 3. No basket. Rebound by number 11.
Number 11.
Ferrer ngayon. Didiretso si Ferrer to number 24. 2 points. Light ball. At ngayon, Villanueva to number 4, Cambalisa. At Cambalisa, bigay kay number. Tamang-tama kay number 1. Lumabas pa. Rebound by number 24, bigay kay number 11, Rivera. At ngayon, number 8, Garcia. Didiretso si Garcia, bigay kay number 24. No basket. Villanueva for the rebound. Pass break kay Luis. 2 points of Luis. 61-51. Number 8, Garcia.
Singar ka dyan eh.
And Garcia, didiretso si Garcia. Turn around to number 27. To number 8. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 28, Macaranas to number 24, Rarisha. No basket. Substitution. Barangay Tudor. Luis for the inbound to number 7, Villanueva. And Villanueva ngayon. Didiretso si Villanueva. No basket. Makukuha ni number 24. Pasa kay number Magalong, number 07. 2 points. Number 16 to number 2, Vilonta. At Vilonta to Virusel. Virusel to Villanueva. And Villanueva, perimeter jumper. No good. Makukuha ni number 27. Pass rate kay number 7. Magalong, 2 points. 61-55, 6 na puntos na lang ang kalamangan. Last 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Luis, no basket, makukuha ngayon. Number 24 saves the ball. Didiretso, running track to number 25. Apat na lang, last 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Apat na lang, Villanueva. Didiretso si Villanueva on the side. And foul number 24. Team foul, Villanueva. Wala. Pass break ko Magalong. It's a lane violation of number 24. Last 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Number 16, Iluis to number 29, Virusel. And Virusel to Villanueva. And Villanueva nilalapit ng unti. 2 points of Villanueva. Last 2 minutes and 42 seconds. 63-57, our visor score. Di diretso ngayon, nakalusot si Macaranas, but no basket. Bola ng Barangay Mabulidot, 14 seconds on the shot clock. To number 24, fade away, no basket. Pakukuha ni number 20. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 24, no basket. Follow up. Basket. Last 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Birusel to Kambalisa. Didiretso si Kambalisa to Bilonta. No basket. Kambalisa, no good. Makukuha ni number 24.
2 minutes ha?
Last 2 minutes. Dalawang error na yun, sayang. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Kambalisa, no basket. To Luis, using the glass, 2 points. Last 1 minute and 42 seconds. Didiretso ngayon si number 17. Number 27, rather. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Live ball.
Live ball. Pircel. To Villuan, number 7. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds to shoot. Turn around by Villuan. Time out, Barangay Mabulitot. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Basketball. Last 1 minute and 17 seconds. Number 24 to number 07. Magbibitaw ng bola. Saves the ball. Last 1 minute and 11 seconds. Follow up by number 24. Binluan. Didiretso si Binluan. Bibigay kay Kambalisa. 2 points of Kambalisa. Last 1 minute. Number 7, Binluan. Pirer, Magalong. Didiretso si Magalong. Last 44.6 seconds. At ngayon, number 7, Binluan. Last 35 seconds. To Vilonta. Basket. Last 30 seconds. Number 24 to number 27, Ferrer. Basket. Last 22 seconds. Shot clock is off. Last 17.2 seconds. 13 foul. And the result, 14 fouls. Graduate number 28, Macaranas. Penalty situation. Last 5 seconds. congratulations, Barangay Tugor. And on Barangay Mabulito, bawi po kayo sa susunod ninyong laro. Next game, Green Team versus the Red Team.